Hello friends, is your engine running hotter than usual, or are you noticing performance issues? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0549, it means there's a problem with the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, high voltage bank 1, sensor 1. This can lead to engine overheating, turbocharger damage, and excessive fuel consumption. In this video I'll explain what P0549 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0549? The P0549 code stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit High Voltage Bank 1, Sensor 1. This means the EGT sensor is sending abnormally high voltage readings to the engine control module. The EGT sensor monitors the exhaust temperature to ensure proper engine performance and emissions control. Common symptoms of P0549. Check engine light is on, engine overheating or running hotter than normal. Reduced fuel efficiency, turbocharger performance issues, higher than normal exhaust temperatures. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0549, check these key components. Exhaust gas temperature EGT, sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, location, mounted on the exhaust manifold, before the turbocharger or catalytic converter. Bank 1, the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Exhaust system wiring and connectors location, runs along the exhaust system, connecting the EGT sensor to the ECM, turbocharger, if equipped. Location, between the exhaust manifold and intake system, playing a role in exhaust gas temperatures. Tip: a faulty EGT sensor can cause incorrect fuel-air mixture, leading to poor engine performance. Common causes of P0549 faulty EGT sensor. A damaged sensor may send incorrect voltage to the ECM. Wiring or connector issues, broken or corroded wires can cause high resistance and false readings. Exhaust system blockage, carbon buildup, or a clogged catalytic converter can affect exhaust temperatures. Turbocharger malfunction. A failing turbo can increase exhaust gas temperatures, triggering P0549. ECM software issues, rare cases where the ECM misinterprets sensor data. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0549 code. Step 2. Inspect the EGT sensor for damage, soot buildup, or corrosion. Step 3. Check the sensor wiring harness for any broken wires or loose connections. Step 4. Test the sensor's resistance using a multimeter and compare with manufacturer specs. Step 5. Inspect the exhaust system for blockages or excessive soot buildup. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive to check if the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0549 can lead to turbo damage, poor fuel economy, and excessive emissions. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0346, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Range Performance Bank 2, P0347, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Low Input Bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.